Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add TikTok sound to CapCut automatically. Okay, first of all, you can open your TikTok application on your phone and you have to log into your TikTok and select a sound from TikTok that you want to use on CapCut. And for example, I'm going to use this sound, so we can tap on the sound like this and add this sound to our favorites on TikTok. Okay, and now the sound has been added to my favorite, and we're going to open up the CapCut application. Click on this CapCut application to open it, and you have to log into your TikTok account on your CapCut. You just need to click on this icon, then click on login to TikTok. Okay, and just wait for a moment, guys. We have to sync our TikTok account with our CapCut application. Okay, and now the sign in has been successful, and this is my TikTok account. And if you want to add the TikTok sound to your CapCut project, first of all, you have to create a project. And for example, I'm just going to open this project, and you can click on audio, click on sounds, and this is the TikTok sound. Okay, all right, and these are the TikTok sounds that I have saved to my favorites, and the TikTok sounds appear right here. And if we want to use it, we can click on this download button to download it. Then after the sound has been downloaded, we can click on this plus button to add this TikTok sound to our CapCut project. Okay, now the sound has been added, and that's how we can add TikTok sound to CapCut automatically. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.